tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Akkochimang avadimang ajinimang ahasime yetan upanaihanti verante sanna sammateti. My dear Dhamma friends, when living in society, you know that we have to keep company with different types of individuals. Some people are supportive and some may not be of that type. But we may have to associate both because they are our companions or colleagues. Sometimes we have to associate even those whom we do not like to associate. Man is a social animal. You cannot be isolated. You cannot live the life away from people, whether you like or not. You do have to live in a community. You know that community is a collection of people. All walk of people are there. We cannot be choosy. We cannot be choosy. Can you do that? We cannot be selective. Sometimes you don't have any other alternatives other than associating them. Some may be friendly and some may not be so. Some may be supportive and some may not. Some may be kind-hearted and some may not. You cannot keep individuals away even though you don't like them, but you can maintain the gap so that you can minimize the harm caused. You can keep company with them with good understanding. This verse tells you how can you cope up even with difficult and tough guys. Now I try to explain the verse very simply. Some person may abuse you with or without a reason. But if you can maintain the relationship tactically without getting into trouble, you are quite balanced. One might defeat you, but you mustn't refuse the fellow, taking that into consideration. At a time or at a few times, someone may be rob you, but you must be competent to keep on connection. Be insecure to yourself. Be insecure to yourself. We must not drag on hatred and grudge. If you continue grudge, you yourself spoil your own blood. If you find it very difficult to handle someone, then without getting into conflicts, you must carefully get rid of that individual. But you shouldn't maintain grudge on anybody. If you carry hatred within, you are weak. By dragging on negative emotions, neither you nor the other can be pleased or happy. You shouldn't be spiritually weak. So, I wish you could take my Dhamma advice and keep it up. May you be blessed with metta and loving kindness. May your heart be filled with altruistic joy.